the construction site map if you guys didn't escape it yet. But yeah, you gotta click on the portal on the side, then you'll see the construction site map. Then you'll have to collect that little piggy button. And I don't want to see the cutscene because that's gonna waste my time. So no, I'm not gonna see it. This is my trick of getting the axe without even going up the stairs. So I don't have to deal with Delictrio being so close to me. By the way, I already have this badge, so yeah, don't worry about it. And at the very end of this level, you'll see Envious. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna... Bro, I said don't mind me. Whatever. Delictrio's frozen for the whole round when you take the old plank down and place the new plank. Get away from me, Wally ass! It's too bad I don't have any abilities. That would be cool. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Get away. Give me the wrench. I forgot where the wrench goes. Oh, right, I remember now. Oh, no, 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 no. I forgot it goes right there. And the second place it goes is on the helicopter. Oh. Lollius, get away. Oh my god, you're annoying. Oh my god. Lollius, stop making that sound when you see me. It creeps me out. Seriously, man? You're gonna camp? Wee! Dummy. Assassinate. That's the robot of the construction site, which is named Necessinate. Get away from me! I don't even know your name. Boom. think you're gonna get away? Whoa, she's coming for you. Die. Idiot. Oh, I forgot. I had the gas. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Wallius, get away. Wallius, I don't have time for this. Get away from me. Wallius. Wallius, stop. Wallius, please. See how dumb Wallius is? See how dumb he is. Oh my god. I already know he's gonna destroy the path. Yup, I knew it. Idiot. Okay, green key. Wallius is frozen. Amazing. What the heck was that? Fire extinguisher. Yup, Envious is definitely chasing me. Put it in! You know what? Forget it. I'll just deal with Envious. Yes! And that's how you escape the construction site. Now that we're done with this map, I'll showcase the skins that you get when you escape this. Why don't you not come into ice cream stand? That would be cool. How come he's in destroyed when he started? I mean, oh, she destroyed him. Could've been fun. Excuse me? Nope, the morph model doesn't exist. Very last skin that you see in the construction site map. And